Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. QuickBooks Online can import bank transactions from the following file types. The first being comma-separated values, or a CSV file. These files are commonly used to export data for a multitude of purposes. An advantage to using CSV files is they can be opened and edited with Excel. Next is QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online files are QuickBooks Web Connect files designed specifically for exporting information from bank accounts to QuickBooks Online. QFX files are financial exchange files created for exporting information to Quicken, but will also work with QuickBooks Online. An OFX file is a text file specifically designed for exporting financial data. And lastly, a text file. Text files can be imported but might require some editing first. You might want to open the text file with Excel and convert it to a CSV file for smoother transfer. To obtain a transfer file, log into your bank account and find the option that allows you to download your account transactions. You'll likely have to select a file format to download your transactions. Choose the QuickBooks Online or QFX format if available, since these files are designed to specifically coordinate with QuickBooks and will require a lot less work. The next best option is an OFX file, but if that's unavailable, a CSV file or a text file will suffice. Save the transfer file to a location on your computer that you can remember to import the file automatically. From the Banking Center, open the drop-down menu next to the link account in the upper right corner, and then select Upload from File. You can drag and drop your file of transactions or click on the Select File button to locate the file you want to upload. Also, QuickBooks recommends the automatic import option as an alternative to uploading your transactions manually. When you have selected your transfer file, click the green Continue button in the bottom right corner of the screen. If needed, you can click Add New to set up a new checking account as demonstrated in my previous video. Next, you must select an account where the transactions come from. Select the account from the drop-down options. If your transfer file is in a QuickBooks Online, QBX, or OFX format, you can directly import without mapping the fields because these file types are compatible with QuickBooks Online. Click the Continue button and QuickBooks will prompt you to select which transactions to import. However, if your transfer file is a CSV or text file, you will need to map the fields in your file to those in QuickBooks. Open your CSV or text file in Excel to determine exactly what information your bank exported and how it's formatted. Next, you're going to set up your transaction file by customizing the rows and columns and mapping the fields in your file to those in QuickBooks Online. To map the fields, select the appropriate column from your file that corresponds to the specified QuickBooks fields. Once you're satisfied with your file setup and mapping, click Continue. QuickBooks will then ask you to select what transactions you want to import. Make sure all transactions are selected and then click the green Continue button in the bottom right corner of the screen to complete the import of your transactions. The next step is to review the newly imported banking transactions, which is covered in all of my videos discussing the bank feed, and you can find it in your Transactions tab. QuickBooks Online also allows you to match the uploaded transactions with the corresponding entries in your accounting records and create detailed reconciliation reports. This excellent banking feature is one reason this provider is the overall best accounting software. So now you've learned the process of importing transactions into QuickBooks Online using the automatic and manual import methods. The next tutorial in my QuickBooks Online overview series is how to import credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online, which covers both how to connect a credit card account and update transactions automatically, and how to import transactions from a CSV file. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.